one can blame you for walking away. Too much rejection, no love injection. Life can be easy, it's not always swell. Don't tell me truth hurts you, girl, 'cause it hurts like hell. But down in the underground, you'll find someone true. Down in the underground, a Lancerine, a crystal moon. It's only forever. It's not long at all. That's how Boy would sing it. Lost and lonely. That's underground. Underground. Gotta get me out of here. I'm underground. Hard to tell a place no earth to stay. Nothing ever hurts again. I don't know, man. I'm underground. Okay, hey, bonjour everybody. Welcome back to Bonjour, Nana Bonjour, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Bonjour, and this is Natasha. Bonjour! Yeah, let's get the show on the road. I'm going to fade out the music. Huh? That's kind of cool. Hey, what's going on?
Hello.
Hey, Natasha.
Oh, hi, sweetie. Did you make it out there okay?
Yeah, I sure did. Just teleported out into the meadow.
Okay, honey. Well, give me a call when you want me to pick you up.
I sure will. Over and out.
Roger that. Over and out.
How's it going? Hey, Missy's here. Good morning, cuz. I get the gold star. Oh, that's right. I gotta remember to tell, what's her name? Natasha. Give Missy the gold star when I get back to the house. How you doing, cuz? And Kaya Thunder's here. Boo-you, beautiful people. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And Jim Dunn is here. Hey, Jim, what's going on, Maniji? And the lovely and talented Jessica Wabuz, Mino Giga Jabe. How you doing? On this beautiful... Uh-oh, look at this. I'm doing computer stuff outside. How's that possible? Well, just suspend your disbelief. Nijo Gija good. It is the second day. Nijo Gija Tuesday. Nijo Gija good. Yeah, so, and what? I don't know. Who cares, right? Nobody cares. It's Tuesday, you know. We didn't ask for it. It came by anyway. Oh, look who's back. Tuesday. Right on time. It seems like every 7 days. What happens? Tuesday comes around. Oh, hello, Tuesday. Welcome back to the show. And hey, Joel's here. Mino Giga Jabe. Joel. Why am I out here now? I'm not so good at starting the show, hosting the show without Natasha. I wanted to come out here. I wanted to pray before the show. You know? Sometimes I just need to speak to the Creator. I know what you're thinking. Wow. Who are you to speak to the Creator? Why would the Creator take your call? I don't know. I'm not sure He does. But in case He hears my prayers, I got to put out a little tobacco. A little Asema. Asema. Or you can say Sema. Or you can say Osema. Getche manado. Otapana niwe Asema. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. Daga we duka wishin. Menawe nungum. Please help me to speak well today. Mikwach kaiji kakina keku kaiji chikeya nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. And mikwach kaiji wa'ao bamadazian. Thank you for my life. And yeah, I don't know. Miigwech Bizendawiyeg. Thank you for listening. Oh, Gitchi Manadu. I mean, it's, you know, it's real easy to pray and you know, believe in the Creator when you're out in nature, you know. Oh, what? You want me to say something? You didn't just tune in to watch me just kind of sit out here quietly? You know you're real friends if you can be just silent together. What? Ooh, look at me, you know, trained monkey. Oh, welcome to this business show. Let me see, do I have any jokes? Well, I'm sorry, you know. Sometimes we just got to spend a quiet moment together. In the mornings. Shh. Bizan. Okay. I'm just kidding, you guys. I couldn't think of anything funny to say, so I went there. I think I better go back.
Hello?
Hi, sweetie, it's Nana Bujo.
Oh, hi, honey. Did you want me to